Now student, we start complement of a set. Complement of a set means, suppose we have U be the universal set and A is the subset of U. Then complement of A is set of all the elements of universal set U which are not in A. Which are not in A means all the elements of universal set outside the circle A means set A. Circle A is in the Venn diagram. It is denoted by A dash and it is read as A complement. In set builder form, we write it as A complement is equal to all the elements X such that X belongs to the universal set but X does not belongs to A. So it means X belongs to U minus A by the definition of the difference. So it belongs to U minus A. So from this we can say A complement is equal to U minus A. I explain you complement of the set by an example. Consider the universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and A is the set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A complement. A complement means from the universal set cut out all the elements of the set A. So set A is the set of even number, cut even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Remaining are 1, 3, 5, 7. Clear? So complement means elements of the universal set which are not in A. So from this example, you see A is the subset of the universal set and A complement is also a subset of universal set. And from this example, we also observe that if we consider complement of the complement set, means if we take complement of this set A complement, then cut off all these odd elements from the universal set, cut 1, 3, 5, 7. When we cut odd numbers, left is 2, 4, 6, 8 and that will be equal to the set A. So we find out that if we take complement of the complement, then it will be equal to the set A. Set A. We take one more example to explain this. Sorry. Example name, we take the properties. Properties of the complement of the set A. A union A complement. A union A complement. In the example, you take A union A complement. इन दोनों की यूनियन लीजिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So their union is equal to the universal set. Now their intersection A intersection A complement. Nothing is common to them. So their intersection is 5. And we find out here again A complement and complement is equal to A. So these are the main three properties. Now come to the fourth property, universal complement. Universal complement means all the elements of the universal. The universal, when we take complement of the universal, then there is nothing. So from where we have to find out the elements? Universal set, bigger set we have is the universal set. No other set is bigger to the universal set. So its complement where we have to find out. No set we have to find out. So therefore its complement is null set. Next, null set complement. Null set complement, nothing is in null set means no element in the set. So when we take its complement, so all the elements of the universal set, because null set consists of no element. जब उसमें कुछ element ही नहीं है, then its complement means all the universal set element, because from universal set में से we cannot cut any element. So that will be equal to the universal set. One more important result in the complement of the set is the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law states you that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, means for the complement union is changes to intersection, and same way A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. We explain you this with the help of the question in your exercise. Question number 4 in your exercise 1.5 is, if U is the universal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, B is the 2, 4, 6, 8, A is the 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then verify the De Morgan's. So first we find out A union B. A union B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and its complement. In complement means from universal set we cut off all the elements from 2 to 8. Cut off all these elements 2 to 8. So left over is 1, 9. So this is our left hand side. For the right hand side, we first calculate A complement. A complement means cancel out 2, 4, 6, 8. So left is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B complement is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now their intersection. Intersection means common to both. You see, common to both of them are 1 and 9. These two elements are common. So we observe that LHS is equal to RHS. So first part is verified. For the second part, A intersection B. A intersection B means common to both. You see, in A and B only 2 is common. So A intersection B is 2. So A intersection B complement means from the universal set cut off only 2. All the remaining elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right hand side is A complement union B complement. So here we had find out A complement and B complement. Their union 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you see here again LHS is equal to RHS. So our De Morgan's law is verified. Now come to the question number 5 of your exercise. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. A union B complement. We first draw the Venn diagram for A union B. A union B means all the elements of A and B. So we shaded this A union B. Its complement means from the universal set we delete all these elements. So in the rectangle we delete all the portion of these two circles. So leftover portion of the rectangle is So this is the A union B complement. Now next is A complement intersection B complement. So we first find out A complement. A complement means except the circle A, all the elements of the universal set. So except the circle A. B complement is except the circle B. Shaded all the portion of the rectangle. So intersection means common to both. You see, the common is outside the circle, both the circle common, because this portion, A ka portion here is there but not it here. B portion is here but not in the second. B is in the first but not in second. A is in the second but not in the first. So circle portion is not common to them. Common to them is outside the circle. Same, this is the A union B complement. A union B complement भी यही था. So with the help of Venn diagram also we verify the De Morgan's law. Here is also fourth part. Fourth part is A complement union B complement. अब इन दोनों की यूनियन, A complement ये B complement में दोनों की यूनियन. Union means all the shaded portion. Rectangle is outside the rectangle means circle के outside. ये तो है ही है. A is here, B is here. But this smaller portion not in A and not in B complement. A complement में भी नहीं है, B complement में भी नहीं है. Rest of all the portion is either in A or in B. Check it once again. Here circle A, so we shade it. In the first, circle B is there, so we shade it. Outside is common to them, so outside the circle we shade it. Leave this common portion because that is not in A complement and not in B complement. So that is all for today. Now you will complete the exercise 1.5 also. It is a very small exercise. You see here in a single line you have to write down the complement answer. So you can do this exercise also. So that's all for today.